Ratata manche tonta toba kuba ngawa just kakavumba pona kakaka kuba kijos kama Big Devi upon the beat get the weapon and attack upon the mic Uganda no tadde mu ebirungungo tuzibu wadde mu kuba no tadde mu nyingo fenno twabula tiyimidira mu tumbi fete twebaka ntunonya kibuga nti mwana watu chabula
Adema call Mr. Girl Spice Diana alongside
Top Credit get to weapon straight out of Ginger kaboom abo banda bonna bagoka wabakubisa mageza nti mwatu bawunga nababe mitime jagoka bakuvako ati mwatu wabasinga show abakulemya te batuka mu lugendo lwabwe mwana watu byagana yo Spice Diana maje kutaka tatatata kaboom kabera jondaga kanzemu wakubisa maboko tuwala wankubya malogo wabulagwana gwe ingatibulago. My name is Top Credit Get to Weapon straight out of Ginger, you know. I come from Ginger, I base in Ginger. Very great pressure. Seeing myself on one of the best TVs in Uganda. Actually not even only Uganda but the whole of Africa, you know. So I am here. I have come to awaken the origin of raga. You know, there is a certain guy who calls himself the god of raga, but I've come to show him that we are the roots of the raga. You know, I don't even have a reason as to why I hide his name. He is called Ziza Bafana and I am called Top Credit Get to Weapon. You know, we have so many differences in on earth. We were created in different ways, but when someone is still asleep, some people are always awake. I have come to show this guy called Ziza Bafana that we are the roots of real raga. We are the roots of what we call the true dancehall assassinable. And I would say, oh my God, sha boom. Nazalibwa musajja mwavatali na yadde ensimbi okutuuka banonze gwolabe miwatwa mingi bumva negombanga buli kalungi kyokka salinawo yadde kasiringi oli mukulu katonda bango singa kokugandi taddemu okusoma bwango kosamaanyi tuye nafuna enyimirira yadde tumbi naye emitego gy'abalabe ndaba mingi